problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Ya kene ke shopping mall jang ketenat penroi sor leplie daga menteri ke Sarkar Pedang ke Nirmala Sitharaman haga shipho terek unaitung arhajar arpusan. Haga belai dan lang menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma usumbut menteri rang ba kejelau Pak Senyau Balanghar uba kemi ke ketenat penroi sor ke menteri ketenat kaukai kakia i Dr. Amrin Lendo chief secretary kejelau ba DP Walang ki head officer Sarkar bat kibai-kibai. Ya kini ke kompleks latai dekat Smart City Mission haka jaga ke Iway point New Lak square feet haka jenglot ke bekot shispa point lai keluar tengka. Kaban kentup ya ke shispa kendai teligi dukan bakin don ki jaka ba bekerpang baki jaka yalekai ne gaming zone ke office terekam bat ki jaka penyang kali. Habakrana ke jengyalang menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong boleh trelang labon snam bat ke menteri Platengka. Bat kelolong ke beriu ke basibun bat haba kilalit kerpa de ke bekerpang na ke bentang ke jela kam juang em. Ulong ba ke Meghalaya leng ba ke jengerap ke tenat Platengka bat ke menteri Platengka kelayo abha ya ke SASCI scheme. Bat ke Meghalaya ke daeruk na pedang ki katukan ke jela ke beliau penan kambha ya kini ke scheme. Ulong bagni ke shopping complex kedai ke bela penwandur na ke bentai kipat ba kanong ba Shillong bat kene kedai ke jing sedang bat nang ni syakmat ansi isu-isu ki project ki beper.
New building in a new concept, but this is actually in a way a symbol, I should say, of the progress and the plans and the transformation that we have planned for the entire city of Shillong. And this is the first building that we're inaugurating now. But there are series of other programs and projects that are coming up. So what we are seeing here today is the beginning. You will see that along the way, projects to beautify the entire riverfront, a project that's costing close to about 35 crores, has already been sanctioned and work is started. So we will actually have the entire riverfront being made into a proper tourist spot and develop it. We are also developing the entire area for the sports complex where all the major sports events take place as of now. All that is being developed. Behind that also we have some land where we'll be again creating additional infrastructure. So all of this area will be developed. We are in very advanced talks also with the shopkeepers along in this area so that we are able to beautify this entire space. For the first time, ma'am, what I want to tell you is that this kind of a transformative project and thought process has never happened. Shillong has been the Shillong it was earlier with no major projects taking place of this magnitude. It is only in the recent past that it started, and this project is the first one to be completed, and there are many more coming in. We just showed you the projects for the new Shillong area which is coming up. That again is is going to be a very, very important part of our city. The entire new assembly is there, the NIFT is there, the IIM is there, and of course our new administrative city will come up in that area, which will further lead to the decongestion of Shillong city, and we hope that that will again pave the way for us to then develop more, and as was mentioned by you, we really look forward to having the other modern aspects of underground duct cabling, where all the water, power, other cables are all underground. So those projects are restricted because of the fact that once we start those projects and construct them, then it really affects the traffic and the vehicle movement. And anyway, Shillong is super congested, and those projects would lead to even more congestion. But that will be the second phase once we're able to shift things, and then we'll be able to implement the other projects. So I just wanted to share this this idea with you. And as I said, very soon we are tendering out the space out here. So we would like to see people bid so that we get the maximum rates for the space out here. And as mentioned, there is a lot of development on top, but we would not have the time to see. But there's also a gaming section, there is a food court, and there are of course very large space for our youngsters especially to come up and start their business and have their shops out here.